Hi guys, in today's video I am going to show you how you can activate Foliage theme on Facebook Messenger. So the first step you need to do is to open Play Store and search for the Messenger, and you need to open Facebook Messenger and you need to update Facebook Messenger. Once you done that, you need to go back and you need to open Facebook Messenger and you need to select any conversation. Then you need to click on the person name on the top and click on theme. So once you are here, you need to select this one, Foliage, next, and here you can see the theme will change for everyone based on the local time for the place. So set location, so I am in the New York, and then you need to click on set theme. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.